My name is Peter Kuchment. I'm professor of Texas A&M University in the United States. I work in several areas, but tomography, mathematical techniques of tomography, I consider as the most exciting area I have ever dealt with. Not only due to variety of applications, but also it's so rich mathematically that you never get bored or tired. So when I was invited to this program where many leading people are present, I gladly agreed. Frankly, I am not a big traveler anymore, but I couldn't resist temptation to attend this program. I was told that this should be kind of a public lecture directed to wide scientific or engineering audience, not necessarily involved in this topic. So it will be, I want to present more or less hand waving, not too technical, summary of what tomography is about, what are the issues there, what are difficulties, what are successes, etc. So some expert might not hear much new, but it will be presented as a public lecture for generally educated public. I've been here to I&I several times. I don't exactly remember how many for the last 20 years, including organizing programs, attending some other programs, etc. I think this is absolutely wonderful place for communicating with colleagues, for doing research, and also the location in this beautiful city of Cambridge is unbeatable. As I said, I'm not much of a traveler anymore. I used to travel a lot, but I couldn't resist invitation to I&I to come again to Cambridge and to this wonderful institution.